Hello viewers, moving on to the next question in the series of GATE 2025 Electrical Engineering Solutions for Power Electronics. This question is of 2 mark MCQ type on the subject. Power electronic devices SCR with inductive load, purely inductive L load. And question number 47 in the master question of GATE 2025 Electrical Engineering from subject Power Electronics is as follows. An ideal sinusoidal voltage source V of t equal to 230 root 2 sine 2 pi into 50 t volt feeds an ideal inductor L through an ideal SCR with firing angle alpha equal to 0 degree. If L equal to 100 millihenry, then the peak of the inductor current in ampere is closest. Options are given as A 20.71, B 0, C 10.35 and D 7.32. Let's move on to solution for this question. It is simple basic question. It is given for this SCR alpha is 0 degree. That is the firing angle is 0 degree. It is fired at 0 velocity. Let's draw the voltage waveform. In power electronics, in this kind of circuits, it is better to draw the waveforms and approach. Waveform draw करके approach करना आसान होता है. ठीक है. तो basically sinusoidal voltage है. इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी है आपका 50 हर्ट्ज, मतलब टाइम पीरियड 20 मिलीसेकंड्स. 820 810 10 milliseconds, this will be 30 root 2 minus 230 root 2. This is V of t in volts, right? ठीक है, ओके. ये कुछ करंट दे रहे सपोज I of t. Now for pure inductor, the current lags the voltage by 90 degree phase. Triggering is done at this point. Okay. Degree means when this is 0, when this is 90 degree, this will be 0, like this. And if this is sine, that will be cosine, right? And it will start from as the inductor will resist an instantaneous change in current just before this switched at alpha equal to 0. इस पॉइंट से पहले क्या था? इंडक्टर के थ्रू कोई करंट नहीं था. करंट was 0. That is the initial condition is I of 0 is 0. So inductor will maintain that initial condition and its current will start from 0 at t equal to 0. And also it will lag this voltage by 90 degrees. Right? So basically, you can also find it by integrating. Same thing you can do. I of t for an inductor, pure inductor, you know, L di by dt equal to V of t. After the resistor SCR is fired, तो ये वोल्टेज इसके अक्रॉस आ जाता है, तो L di dt equal to Vt holds because alpha is 0 degree in this case. So we can write I of t equal to 1 by L integration V dt, right? So I of t equal to, if you put this expression, then you get what? In the value of L also. So 230 root 2 by 100 millihenry. It is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3. ठीक है, हम लोग रख दें, we put the values. We get what? Sine of, let's say this angle is theta. Omega t is theta. ठीक है, so it will be sin theta d theta, and theta will vary from let's keep it like this only. ठीक है, so it will be what? It goes to that side, it will be what? अच्छा, when we replace with sin theta, then this will be replaced by omega L. omega term will come here. So 2 pi into 50 denominator. Because we have replaced omega t by theta. So 1 omega term will come here. So it will be what? 23 root 2 by pi. Correct? Okay. Sin theta integration is minus cos theta. And after that we can replace theta with 2 pi into 50t plus constant. Now to find the value of the constant, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We find the initial condition. Initial condition is before the cycle is just switch, the inductor current was 0. So I of 0 equal to 0. We put t equal to 0 here. Then we get what? Cos 0 is 1. So C become I of, we put I of 0 equal to 0. We get what? I of 0. This term was minus 1. So C minus 23 root 2 by pi equal to 0, or C equal to 23 root 2 by pi. So the current equation, we put the value, we get I of t equal to 23 root 2 by pi 1 minus cos of 2 pi to 50t. राइट, बहुत ही आसानी से हम लोग ये एक्सप्रेशन मिल जाता है करंट का. सही, दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर करंट 23 root 2 by pi into 1 minus cos 2 pi into 50t. So the maximum value will be, cosine varies from minus 1 to 1. So the maximum value will be obtained when cosine this function is minus 1, and the maximum value will be I max equal to 23 root 2 by pi into 1 minus minus 1. When this becomes minus 1, this will be maximum. The value will be 46. 1 minus minus 1 is 2. 2 into 23 root 2 is 46 root 2, and there will be pi I max. Now इसका ग्राफ हम लोग बना सकते हैं देख के. When it was, when at t equal to 0, this will be 0, and when t equal to pi, this will be a maximum value. Right? So somewhere it will be like this. This will be 46 I max value, which is we calculate as 46 root 2 by pi amperes. ठीक है? Like this, 0, 10. Yeah. Milliseconds and I in amperes. This is I of t. If you draw the graph, this will be somewhat like this for the inductor current, and the expression will be this 23 root 2 by pi into 1 minus cos 2 pi into 50t. And using this, we find the maximum value of the inductor, peak value of the inductor current as 46 into root 2 by pi amperes. We put this in the virtual calculator. I think you will get the value as closest to 20.71, if I am not wrong. You can try it out and put this in the virtual calculator. Get it nearly as 20.71 amperes, which matches option A. Peak of the inductor current in amperes is 20.71. So I will explain the solution in detail on the very basics. We find first drawing the voltage and current waveforms, and finding the expression for current, inductor current, and then finding its maximum value. Hope the solution is clear and comprehensible. If you have any doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the comments. And that's all for solution to this simple question. Thank you.